We are looking at my CHARMYI spaghetti strap dress. So this is just a really flowy, comfy style sundress with pockets. So that little knot up front is totally adjustable, which is nice. You can kind of fit it exactly to your bust size. And then the straps as well also have a manual setting. So if you need the straps longer or shorter, you can adjust them. Material of it itself, 95% polyester, 5% spandex, and it comes in about 8 different colors. So I am wearing the dusty blue tone here, but they also have some in patterns if you want something a little bit funkier. Really just comfy, cozy, comes just a little bit above the knees on here. Simple yet sexy, good for formal occasions or just daily wear. I would say the size of it too, very true to size. I'm wearing a size medium here, and that's generally what I wear in all of my clothing. So really a big fan of it. Definitely recommend you check it out.